Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss how ChatGPT can solve the complex problem of Excels in minutes. I have date range in the column C and the toll tax deducted in column D. I have to calculate the total toll tax of a particular range given in this cells. It must be dynamic. It means whenever I update any data in column D and C, the calculation will effect automatically over here. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and share with your friends and family who are interested in advanced Excel tips and tricks. Let's get started. On the right hand side, you can see the window of ChatGPT. Basically, ChatGPT is nothing but the artificial intelligence. You can treat ChatGPT as an expert in everything. Whenever you have any question in mind, you can talk with ChatGPT. How we talk? We can talk with ChatGPT using the chat. So we have chat option, so we can write our question over here and it will analyze your question and it will give the answer. So your question must be practical and with the logic. ChatGPT cannot expect anything. You have to provide all the information accurately to get the perfect answer. So I have already written one prompt. Prompt are nothing but the question in mind which we are sharing with ChatGPT. So right now my question is, I have date range in column C, toll tax amount in column D, and it has to be calculated based on the range given over here. So I need the total of toll tax amount based on this range. So I have to give this instruction to the ChatGPT. So this is the prompt which I have already written. In Excel we have date range in column C. Yes, we have. Then we have amount in column D. Yes, we have. Consider the first row as header. Okay. Then I want to calculate the sum of column D in column H2. In column H2, where from date given in F2 and to date in G2. Please help. So you can click on this arrow button or you just press enter. ChatGPT will analyze your question and give you the prompt. So ChatGPT given the function or the formula based on our query. So here is the formula. So we have to copy, and ChatGPT also giving the explanation how it is going to work. So that is very simple. So ChatGPT is using SUMIFS function in which they are giving the range for getting the sum D, then C for criteria, and this is our criteria. F2, the date must be greater than of F2 and less than from G2. Let's see whether it's work or not for us. So I'm pasting my function given by the ChatGPT. Now we have to drag and drop like this, and now we need to check whether we are getting perfect answer or not. So I'm selecting this one, 3141 3140. So 12th of January to 16th of January, and let's go to 16th of January. We are getting 3140 here. So we are getting perfect answer. I have already calculated the sum of this amount over here, and that is perfectly matching with the sum of toll amount is coming over here. So you can also get the help of ChatGPT for your complex calculation which you are not able to understand how you calculate, or you can save your time. If you put your efforts, it takes time if you are not very expert in Excel or in any software. So this is how you can use the ChatGPT. If you have a particular situation, just do comment. I will try my best to prepare a video on your query and upload on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Please come back again for such knowledgeable videos. Thank you.